Alright guys, since I'm not working for a few days until my next job, I want to show you guys what's in my tool bag. It's been a while. I don't even know what it is. October tool bag. Let's go through it. So I don't even know what's in here anymore. So I usually keep all the tools that I use on the right. Just when I actually wore this thing, I would have all my tools so I could grab it with my right hand. Less important stuff on the left side. I just weighed this. It's 22.2 pounds. And let's just go ahead and jump in. So a lot of this stuff is stuff that I use on a daily basis. I will be taking some stuff out because I don't really work at the hospital anymore, so all my specialty tools are kind of out the window. So I will be reducing some things and leaving some tools home when I go to my next job. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So first I got this little cabinet tip screwdriver right here. This is, I believe, the 1/4 inch, the 6016, little cabinet screwdriver, mainly for prying things, whatnot. Comes in handy. Got my insulated, I got my insulated 8-in-1 right here. This is with the Phillips and straight blade tip. The rest of the tips are over here in this pouch. Here's all the other tips. Mainly just use the screwdriver tips, insulated, just in case anything ever happened, anything was live on accident. Got my limited edition Klein flag strippers right here. I've never seen anyone else have those, so if anyone ever stole them, you know they're mine. Got my limited edition Ireland or UK insulated VDE 6-inch cutters right here. Thank you, Steven. Got my 2 Cobra channel locks right here. I call them channel locks, but they're not. They're Knipex Cobra 10-inch. Got 2 of those because you always need 2. These just fell out of my pocket today, and I don't even remember having them in here. But I got my my regular grip. I don't know what they're called. Just the regular Knipex Cobra 7 1/4 or 7-inch Cobras right there. I got my Knipex Comfort Grip lineman right here. Got those. I got my diagonal cutters right here, high leverage 9-inch, I believe, Fujiya, Greenlee, torpedo level. Got my stubby multi right here. I did get a new stubby recently, so I'll be checking that out. So I might be replacing this guy, not sure. The Comfort Grip wrench pliers, I believe they're called. I think these are maybe 7 or 7 1/4. Got those guys. Some tape and a Irwin jab saw, because I got that for free. I got the Wiss. I forget what these are even called at the moment. It's been so long. Got these cutters right here for cutting metal. Yeah, that's embarrassing. I forgot what that's called. Got my self-adjusting Klein cable strippers right here. Very, very handy. Best for stripping dimming wires. Save you a year. Just my voltage tester, tick tracer, voltage pen, glow in the dark, needle nose, Klein right there. Safety razor, flush cutters right here. These little guys right there. Pens, pencils, wet erase markers, Sharpies, you name it. We got it in here. And then I got my, what is this, a 4-in-1 insulated. Actually, this also has I think this also has an 8-in-1 case kinda with different tips, but right now I just keep the 2 baby Phillips and straight blade slotted, insulated. I think it's called a precision screwdriver, I forget. Got my Milwaukee 25-foot magnetic tape measure right there. This baby's taking a beating, needs to be replaced kinda. Just got a free 16-inch non-magnetic from Nika 2023. Got my clip right here. It's just a basic clip from Amazon. My sister got me that. I told her I wanted for my birthday or something like that. Got a 2-pack of these, very nice. You can clip this on basically to anything that you're using on a lift or a wall or a shelf. Then you got a nice carrying handle right here. Put it on your cart, your T cart, whatever. On the other side, I do have my stud finder right here, stud ball from Racketeers. Hammer right here, Klein hammer, been a while. Got the Milwaukee, I forget what this, Milwaukee pipe cutter. I think this goes up to 1 inch, I believe. If not, it's 3/4. Yeah, very handy, very small, compact, so that's nice. Didn't even know that I had a screwdriver tip in here. That's dirty. Got my no dog level over here. Got a beater screwdriver right here, and then my old beater screwdriver, which is, well, I didn't really use it to beat on it that much, but just your normal 606 screwdriver. And this is what I used to be a beater screwdriver on my old one until I broke it. But then I got this one. We'll beat on it probably a little bit over the years, but then I just got this one, so that's my new beater. Got the plug tester, a very nice plug tester, no problems with that. Pipe reamer, 11-in-1 with different tips in there that I got ordered from somewhere. Actually, I stole the tips out of my other 10-in-1s, my foldable 10-in-1s, so I got some Allens in here, which is really handy because you always need those. 7-in-1 impact flip socket, I believe. Got a extension right here, 1/4 inch extension, very nice. Got my, I forget to even have this in here, my other hot pen, but I mostly just use it for the laser, which I don't even really use anymore. Got the 5-in-1, not sure the specific name on this, 5-in-1 Allen set right here. And then lastly, the I don't even know the name of this, but it's the multi screwdriver from Klein with all the different tips. I think there's like 32 of these, 8x4, 32 tips right there. You got your star bits, your securities, all that good stuff, tons and tons of bits right there. And like an 1/4 inch bit tip right there, I believe. And yeah, I got basically a panel screw. Grandpa gave me a panel screw from Michigan, so there's that. I got a little baby eraser, and really that's about it. So a lot of stuff in here. Like I said, I'm going to take some stuff out. But anyways, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed. Let me know what you guys keep in your tool belt. What would you take out of here? What would you leave in? What are your favorite tools? Let me know in the comments below. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate it. God bless. Have an awesome rest of the day. Love you guys. Peace.